What's up, guys? Jason from the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it is February 28th. It's the last day of the month. It's looks like the warm-up is on its way. I think today's supposed to be around 55 degrees. So I'm just gonna go around today and just try to clean up the mess that this storm left. There's just down trees, branches, half-cut trees in half. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And this week looks like it's gonna be crazy warm, like in the mid 70s near the end of the week. I think on Wednesday starts the warm up. So yeah, it's crazy. I know we're all looking forward to spring. So, but I think we're gonna be good. But this is my big problem today, is this big tree that snapped in half. So this is gonna be a real pain. There's a lot of little branches that have to come off. I'm probably gonna have to cut it somewhere in here because I don't want to just cut the tree down, because my clothesline's still in the middle here. It connects to this tree here. And if I drop it, it's just gonna cause more problems. So I'm gonna have to kind of delimit, cut it off from the middle there, and hopefully then cut it over there. I don't know, this one's a real pain. I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do to this one, but I'm gonna try my best to get it down without that much damage. So let's get the Honda out and we'll go ahead and let's check on the deer food and see how they're making out back there. All right, guys, this is what we got. Probably a bag of corn still on there. I'm not really sure if they've licked any of that off that salt block or not, but I hope they enjoy it. It's pretty cool. All right, let's grab a trailer and start picking everything up. Here we go. All right, guys, this is a big tree branch that fell down near the front of the house here. I'm thinking it was this tree right here. It looks like way up there. I see where it's broken off. But yeah, we'll go ahead and bust this one up. Just throw it in the old cart, and we'll use it. I'll use it for some bonfire wood. There's probably some decent wood near the bottom here I could use for actually like home heating and bundle sales. All right, guys, this first load is looking pretty full. Don't want to get it too crazy full, then it's a pain to get out. All right, guys, I got 6 pieces out of it. They're not too bad. All right, guys, we're making headway. I didn't get any footage of me dumping everything in the pile back there, but we'll show you the pile later. But there's just a few more, just small things I got to get in the front yard, just real quick, and then we'll pick back up. I'm gonna try to take care of that oak, that small oak that like it leans over. It's one that kind of falls into the house like during snowfall. So I'm gonna get rid of that today, and might have to help Reese out. There's a tree in the back there, my neighbor Reese, that's really bent over, archway over his driveway. He can get underneath of it, but if he gets any deliveries from FedEx or Amazon, they're gonna have a problem. So we'll try to help him out real quick. All right, guys, I was gonna use my pole saw. I have this Milwaukee pole saw that I bought back a few years ago. Pole saws are nice, but I didn't want the gas powered one because I just use it so infrequently. I thought it'd just be more of a pain. But this is a Milwaukee one. Takes the M18 batteries, but she can reach pretty far. But yeah, should be pretty nice. That way we can just get on up there and cut it off. But pretty nice little unit. Nice little sharp blade on it. I haven't used it more than maybe two times. So we'll give it a try. Be nice and quiet. All right guys, let's give this a try. See how this is gonna go. I'll probably take down a few little limbs. Just remember, see how, if I remember how to use this. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Big one right here. Uh-oh. Yeah guys, this tree's a lot taller than I thought. It almost goes to the roof of my, the top of my roof up there. Now the branches up there aren't real heavy and strong, and I obviously can't reach up that high. So we might just have to go as high as I can and kind of cut it and let it kind of easily come down. Maybe I can grab it and then pull it away from the house. That's what I'm gonna try to do. If we just cut it a little bit, and it should just slowly fall down. So I'll try to go up as high as I can here. Uh-oh. There's a lot more weight there than I thought, guys. A lot more weight. You know what though, we got it down. All right guys, that was a little scary. I had no idea that thing was gonna come down that hard, but it didn't do any damage. The sticks weren't, the tree limbs weren't super thick, but there was definitely enough weight for it to come down pretty quick there. So, all right, we'll get the rest cleaned up. All right guys, now we're back by the back of the fence here and got this tree. This is a real problem. It's gonna be a real problem. So I'm just gonna put on time lapse and I'm just gonna kind of work through the branches and get as high as I can. And I don't know how this thing's gonna come down. If it's anything like the last one, I'm probably just gonna crash into something. Let's see how it goes. All right guys, we're getting kind of to a critical part here. I'm really just trying to protect that clothesline. I don't want it to snap because it's like one continuous piece. And if it breaks, I'm gonna have to buy another one. But so I'm gonna put you right here and let's see what happens. The clothesline cable's right here. It's going right through the tree. So I need to try to get it up as high as I can and then kind of pull this part over away from it. So I'm gonna set you up right here. All right guys, I'm gonna give the old Milwaukee a try here. See if I can get a few of those limbs off there. All right, this limb right here scares me. Let's see what happens here. Ooh. Oh, that's looking good. I'm gonna try to stay away from it here. See if we can cut it right here. All right. Okay, guys, this was the last branch that was kind of holding it. Here's the clothesline. Here's the tree. So we did a good job protecting the clothesline. I mean, what would be great if I could just kind of pull this over and just kind of let it, hopefully it would snap off. That would be my, and then I can drop it. Seems like she wants to. I don't know, guys. She's not moving. I was really hoping she'd just snap off. All right, guys. This time I hooked up a rope to the Honda. I'm gonna see if I can pull that piece down. We're in full-wheel drive, first gear. Let's try again. Really thought she'd be snapping off by now. Well, that doesn't seem to be doing anything. All right, guys, I got the tractor out this time. A little more weight, a little more power. All right, guys, my next plan of attack. Okay, I have the tractor over there with a line up to there, and I have it pulled. I have my weight down, brakes are on. I have it really tight. I went ahead and notched the tree. Goal is here to do a back cut. And hopefully without a tension, she'll just go that way. That's the plan. Feel kind of nervous about it. I don't know, I'm not really sure why. There's really nothing here that could really hurt. I might just go off, you know, might just go off path here a little bit, but there's nothing really around here for it to even hurt. So let's put our big boy pants on. Let's give it a try. All right, I'm gonna try to pull the trailer a little bit. I don't want to lose slack. Feeling pretty good about it right now. I'm hoping I can just pull her down. That'd be ideal, right? I feel like she's moving. The tractor's definitely moving. Tractor moved pretty far. They're definitely, oh yeah, she's definitely going that way. All right, let's try to pull her. I'm just trying to reposition here. I don't want it falling. I want it to come more to the right. That should do it, right? Come on. It's like the slowest tree coming down ever, right? We did it, guys. That bad boy is done. She's down. All right, feels good. Tractor came in clutch today. That extra weight helped. All right, guys, I'm gonna hurry and get this cleaned up. We're gonna go out, go to church, and then go out to dinner tonight. So it's 1:50, so I gotta hurry up. So thanks for your subscriber. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.